Everybody, growth traders around the world. This is Algo greeting you all the way from the interior of Suriname, Botopasi, and I am going to do the market opening, the Sunday market opening with you today, and then we will check doing some weekly and daily review where the market most likely going to project to. This time for us to, I think I can use. Let's see also what a weekly calendar do. In about 1 minute we will have market opening. We have some delayed data here. I'm looking at the data. The Nasdaq, we had settlement price here. This is 5 minutes. I want the 1 minute chart. We already have seen the opening. Those that are receiving real data, this is already the opening. Opening 1 minute chart. This is the opening. This is where we settle on Friday settlement price. The 1 minute chart. We'll use the color, this color. This is new week opening gap. This is all we are going to be here to do, and then we'll go backward to settle and to work to do some analysis for the weekly delivery. We want to see, we have waited. All we are trying to do is to have this new week opening gap register. And this also you can some slow, very slow connection. Loading slow on this Exness terminal. Just very close at the Friday closing price. I think we'll keep it here. Don't know how many minutes it will take for us to see. This is a new week opening gap. It will be current new week opening gap. Either it is Friday closing price, and it will be either low or high depending on where we open relative to where we close at Friday. So the Sunday opening price somewhere here, either premium or discount. And practically this is all we are here to do, to record this new week opening gap. And when we are done, I will be going through the major market and predict and try to analyze and check where we will be, where we expect price to most likely to trade to. This is the Sunday of the 21st of July. We are looking at the calendar already. And Monday there will be no news, so it is a no trading day by protocol. We are looking at the whole week. There is medium and high impact news. So I feel the PMI number is something to be cautious. Wait after it happened, then jump in. You can trade all these days are trading days of the week, all four from Tuesday till Friday. Only I ask to be cautioned with the PMI number. Wait until after 11 and see the manipulation and then engage. I see that this terminal is still loading. I will close this one and will work with the delayed version of of trading view. This is trading view, Friday closing price on the Nasdaq. I'm trading the Nasdaq, the ES, and I'm using the YM just as barometer. Now I'm here. Current over. Either we will see if it opened premium or discount, and then we record it. The Monday protocol is that we do not engage before market open. At the best is that we will resume engaging the market after lunch hour. Then we have a clear picture how the market maker have used the weekend, the sentiment, and which direction they will favor. Not to say that there will be no trade, but this is just protocol for those who choose to follow and trade with us. The Monday we leave it clear before lunch, and then we check what happened. If you will engage, just know that you can tape read it. It's best for you to tape read it, and then record your experience in the journal. The 5-minute chart, let's see how it has traded. There is here a SIBI. These are lows, practically relative equal lows. Price may open and want to trade first to this tail, consequential encouragement and drop. But we want to see this thing happen in the after 10, after 12. Then if we see this, we will favor price going down. I think we have already make a big market structure shift on the weekly level or daily 4H level, going bearishly. I have to look at the dollar index to find out what exactly is going there. Elsewhere we will begin our analysis, but let me first record the opening price. The reason why we don't have an opening price yet, we are on the free version of TradingView, and there is a delay in the data, and the delay is about, I don't know, we just wait. Normally we don't engage before 12 o'clock Monday. If it is not a non-farm payroll week, we leave the Monday clear out. We join other traders, join chat boxes of others, those that are trading, and then we try to pick the sentiment that they favor, and we do our analysis and use that as an indication to where the market most likely will go to, is to trade against the retail ideologies, retail thought patterns which are in marketplace. You see the price of not ready to step into the SIBI and start dropping. Price may want to go there, but that's not what we are concerned about. All we do now is to wait. In the process of waiting, I have already covered Monday. No news day, so we won't bother trading the Monday. It might be most likely a small range day. We will have Tuesday, Wednesday, be caution of PMI number, and Thursday and Friday we can trade those trading day. If one wish to become a profitable, consistent, profitable trader, tape reading is one skill set, a skill that is prerequisite to being a good trading. It is something that we focus on this channel to help you see, as we are doing, as I'm doing it for entertainment and educational purpose. I'm just recording it so that one can glean some information, some knowledge of tape reading. It is not that it is not an advice, it's just my experience I'm recording. I'm looking at where price is now, where price come from, and how did it leave there. This is the rule that we are. Have it taken a swing high? Yes. Have it leave there with displacement? Yes. Did it left a SEBI? Yes. Did we enter the SEBI? Not yet. Excuse me. We did not enter a SEBI, so price may want to trade into this SEBI, and it is within the PM session. This is a PM session high. When we go, so 1 minute, I want the 1 minute chart. PM session high is this one. I want to record it. This breaker, prices use a breaker, high, low, higher high. This series of consequential, this series of down close candle, price open in premium. We just witnessed the opening price. So all we do is we record that opening price and we start making annotation. The current opening, new week opening price is a low, so it is registered because we open in high. This is the current new week opening gap Sunday opening price. It is the Sunday opening price and it is the high. We are not here to trade, we are just here to record and register, set this a new week opening, which is a point or a valuable instrument for those that have knowledge to trade with it. For the new week opening gap does have influence on the whole week. If it is a consolidation, if it is expanding, depend on how we trade around it and or move from one new week opening till another week opening. At least 5 of them I have on my chart, and they do have influence on price. This is the consequential encroachment of the new week opening gap of this week. It is on the Nasdaq. So having that on our chart, we could have said let's go to the ES to have that my price also open on the, this is closing price. See the Nasdaq open there. It is the current new week opening gap Friday closing price low. This is the S&P and it is the low. We are taking this, make a copy of it. The market open here, a large opening gap open and close below the open, which is down close candle, and this is the Sunday opening price. It is the high, and all we are doing is we registered this this is a consequential encroachment of the new week opening gap, right? Price, there is no news this week. This is Monday. Now this can't be current anymore, so I take that away. Oh, I think I know what I missed on this one. This is the Sunday of the 21st. Let me have a Friday Friday the 19th, 19/7, and this is open on the Sunday of the 21st of July. 21st of July. So with that set and that put in place, we see we have on the ES a large range. We also do the DAW. We will go and do some analysis on from the daily, from the weekly down to the 1 minute time frame. I normally do not use put any. I'm only looking the Friday closing price was here, and we open the same. We trade in pairs a little bit. For these are sisters, what I'm trading this as a barometer, using this as a barometer. So the dollar index is where we start with our analysis, because we want to have a feeling of a risk off, risk on scenario. We want to know that going forward, we want to see what the market have done in the past 2 weeks. This is the monthly chart, and the other color but red I will take out of the chart from now, so that we can do some analysis on this level. We see that we are in a range, and the market have not really traded significantly neither to the order block. What we have said is that we were looking at this order block. Take this away. We have said that we are looking at this order block to repair price going up, and if price trade low, as we see on this monthly chart, this monthly, right, we are holding these monthly mean threshold order block. I'm holding it as a last stand for bullishness on the other assets. So price has been trading and actually have traded in a consolidation. Prices now have cleared some low here. I'm looking at the consequential encouragement of this candle. It is practically the same as the bullish order block, so I won't have that, but I have that in my mind going forward, that there is a long tail that price can use to either bounce or trade pairs and use as inversion going under. Either way, when we look at the lay of the land, price has not traded outside this small range. Already we are in 1, 2, 3, the 4th week or 4th month. We have seen price staying in a range and have not really break out of this range, looking at the body and judging at the body of the candle. If price trade lower, which will mean price going down on dollar index, it will mean risk on scenario, and risk on meaning for fiber and cable. For these forex pair or currencies, we will see price rallying. If price use this bullish order block, which is what I like to see given the season we are, so that we can I'm expecting price to give us a seasonal drop to the fall low. So if price turn on the dollar index, start giving us a rally toward this swing high, and now we have some relative equal highs above here, above marketplace, into this CB, we can expect then we will see risk off scenario, meaning fiber, the currencies that are linked in this case, fiber and cable, they will trade toward the sell side objective, and we will see some price dropping into sell side liquidity. This is what we now have. It is we are staying in this range, and I will take some. Please pay attention to the disclaimer. The information shared with you on this table are for my education or for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. If you will engage the market, be sure you know and have counsel and advice from your financial advisor. We see G20 summit on Thursday and Friday. It's an orange medium impact news. We can expect some volatility, the use of that news. Can expect that. This is the dollar index. We continue going the dollar index. We take the weekly. We're looking at the lay of the land, and the question we are asking ourselves from the weekly perspective, where is price most likely to go to? It's likely to go to this busy. It already have used this busy as I'm looking at it. Busy. Busy 1, 2, 3. In this case, it dropped deeper into that busy. There are sell side swing low. This is price is now at a order block, weekly order block. This one, actually, the order block begin from here. It began from these three down close candle. Now price have used it to step off, take this one, but have practically engineered some liquidity above marketplace. Price may want to reach to clear these liquidity. That is, I'm looking for price to first want to draw into this monthly order block, use at least wick past this swing low from here. This swing low maybe toward this order block, and then trade. I don't want to have too much thing, but this swing low will be very significant to me. Want to see price. If we will see risk off, then these two are for me the last stand in for bearishness for the dollar. And for bullishness, if the dollar return to this and use it going up, like now we are in this this busy, I'm expecting price to continue going up. But if price drop lower, these two are for me the resistance. There is a small inefficiency there above marketplace. Price is still in this large range, which is actually typical of a time like this. This is the summertime, and the summertime does have these days. Those they are in recession. We have talked about the influence of the attack on the United States president. Maybe that can give us some spike or news concerning what happened. I haven't traced geopolitics nor news from the mainland of US, but that Black Swan event, maybe that is the cause of this drop, or we will see some spike to take these swing high, relative equal high, and into this monthly basis. But for now, this is what we have. I want to have just this on my chart for now. Where do I think price will likely go to? I want to see price continue to drop and trade into this order block and further to take this swing low. When it take this swing low, maybe into this busy, I don't want it to close below this main threshold. If it closes below the main threshold, I will be looking for price to continue going down, meaning risk on. But if it take this swing low and return and close above the main threshold, I will be turning and look at price to go to the buy side, which is risk off. This is the weekly chart. The weekly chart. I'm looking at the weekly chart, the daily chart. Where do I think price most likely going to draw to? Within the daily chart, I'm seeing evidence that we will be going up to this first of all, this SEBI. This SEBI. This SEBI, looking at this familiar pattern, I'm expecting price to trade using this order block. Already have you come further down, and price will continue to go down. So I'm already formulating for the trading week. Because of this familiar order block scenario, I'm looking at price to drop, and it has dropped, it has trade. So price is going to go. I'm looking for price to reach this SEBI. The consequential encouragement would tell me if price will continue, meaning this is risk off scenario. Risk off is dollar going up and the other asset, fiber and cable, mark to market going down. The other asset like future index order are allowed to go down. Now we have seen some engagement, some rating of stop below these swing low, relative equal lows with this drop. This price again from the SEBI, this weekly objective, trade and do some shift in this would be mean shift in market structure, but already we see some order block forming here, and there is reason to expect price to go to the buy side, which is repricing into this SEBI, and how we trade here further will give us clue how the market will trade further. For now, it is risk off scenario. Risk off scenario. Looking for the market to go on the buy side, which will give us risk on the fiber. We will go to the fiber, euro, USD, the daily chart. If price is going up on the dollar, we'll be expecting price to go down. This order block for now, maybe further, or the reason why I'm expecting price to drop. See that price at first take a swing high, maybe swing highs. These have been engaged already. There is some engineered liquidity up there. Price have also take them, not convincingly, but this sharp drop toward this is drop, indicating with the dollar going higher, I'm going to see price going down, trading into at least to the discount of this side. With Monday not being a trading day, looking at this is an order block, a bearish order block. I want to see this a swing low engage with displacement, or this busy use as inversion fair value gap, not respecting this down close candle to bounce from it, and I will be very content with risk off to trade and to engage the market from with that in mind. With that in mind, we go straight to, from here, the daily chart. We pick the GBP USD. These are the British pound US dollar. Must show same thing, dollar going up. These markets are mark to market, they will be going down. We don't trade them. I don't trade in this market, but I use them for intra-market relationship. We see some swing low taken here. Price may want to trade into this. We see for this swing low have already been taken. Price, this is the daily chart, may want to reprice first into to make efficient this small SEBI. It is an inefficiency in price action delivery. SEBI. Sell side imbalance, buy side is inefficient. It is a pocket in price. Price most likely will draw and want to fill that. There is a SEBI here, and these are the If dollar continue going up, these are the objective I will be looking for price to reach to. This is the British pound. I also do the gold versus the US dollar. This is it. Gold is a qualifier of dollar. We see swing high taken here, and we see the gold market have dropped, did not respect this down close candle. There is an order block, which is where we are now trading in. This order block, depending on how the market of trade is going to trade around it, I will use it as if the market trades to this the mean threshold of this order block for me will be the lesser, and the market most likely will open, retrace into this SEBI. SEBI low. I want to see the market open, trade into the SEBI, and then continue going lower. That giving us that the gold going lower, the dollar will go higher, meaning we have a definitive market structure going following the risk off scenario, permitting the future index to trade lower. Permitting the future index to trade lower. It does not have to trade mark to market. It is the forex that are trading mark to market, but permitting the other market to trade lower except of the fiber. Some are looking at crude oil too. Not really. I'm not doing no crude oil. Crude oil futures, which is this one. Crude oil futures is going down also. I'm not analyzing it. I'm going straight to the US ESC. This drop is risk off. The market is allowed to go to the sell side. It is risk off. Monday is at no trading day, so want to see what they will do, and I will begin my analysis of the weekly on the weekly chart. This placement is nice to see. The question we are asking ourselves again, where are we, and where are we going, where are we trading to? Where is the market? Where is the market most likely going to trade to? This is where we exhaust. I'm cleaning table. Clearing the table. I'm clearing the table. Clearing the table. This is the analysis. The pre-market open. We have saw the opening of the market. Now we are on the monthly chart of the ES. I think just clearing these lines. Already we have, this cannot be the current anymore. We have already the current one right there. I'm holding 5 of them on my chart trading, and because they have influence. The question that we are asking ourselves, standard and from the higher time frame chart, it is, where are we now? Price action is here. Price action is here. Where did we come from? We come from this long wick, and normally what we do, we graded it. We graded this long wick. Price action even close below the high of last month. This is last month high. Last month high. High. Price action close below it. We are now predicting, analyzing, predicting. We come with a strong, how did we come from where we were? We come from where we were with a strong wick and close below the high of this last week high. There is price action. There is last month, 2 months ago, it is the month of May. We see this June, this the month June. Maybe I can write that right away. This month June high, we closed below it and price opened, and we are expecting price may want to rally toward the midpoint. I'm looking at this tail. Normally at higher time frame it is best to grade it. The 25% of this long wick is for me where I have my eye for. I don't expect price to open and rally, not even to the consequential encouragement, but I have this wick in mind with the graded levels of it in mind, and I'm looking for price to drop toward this consequential encouragement, which is on the discount side, and trade to the low of the busy but also last month high. This drop, this this monthly order block, bullish order block, we want to see how price will trade from there. But for now I'm looking at the range of opportunity about to the order block is 188 handle to the it is about 100 handle, 96.50 handle. So the main threshold of this order block is less than for me, and I think price will use it. To clean this one first. This is what we have, the layout on the land of the ES. I think I will be trading the Nasdaq this week. I'm not really into the ES for now. I want to build some. I'm working on a broker, and I want to check how the broker serve my purpose and how I can use it at my best. So I will be trading from Tuesday. For Monday is no trading day for me, not even after 12. I will just leave the Monday day clear, and then I will engage on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or Friday the 26th. Friday will be very nimble after day 2 of the summit. It will be also after 11 o'clock, between 11 and 12 I will engage. Thereafter I will not bother trading further. I'm looking at the monthly chart, and we have some limited annotation from the monthly perspective. As we have, I'm going to the weekly chart. And as it seems, we have trade 2 an order block, short-term order block. Indeed, we have taken high. Where are we from? I'm expecting price to either open a rally toward the monthly wick, 25% lower quarter. It might rally toward it and start dropping to. There is the swing low, sell side liquidity, which is on the weekly level, and the weekly level also have some busy below that swing low. So I'm expecting that to be the draw of price until this these two down close candle forming the one order block. If price take them, this consequential encouragement, these are the objective I can look. And still, if price engage this and close above this monthly main threshold of a bullish order block, I will be expecting price maybe to rally once more for the respect. If we lose this, then we can expect price to start looking for sell side objective, trading toward the sell side. This is the weekly. For me it is clear. This is the weekly. The daily, we are looking at a daily chart, and mainly I'm looking here at a swing low and how we have taken that swing low. Here is a relative equal high has been engaged and taken. There is a aggressive drop, which is the displacement. The displacement have taken some swing low after it has engaged buy side liquidity. I'm thinking we are definitely in a market structure shift to the downside, and as we are expecting the market structure shift and swing low taken with displacement, as we are looking for the market on the dollar index to trade higher, which is risk off, daily chart blue. I will be looking for sell side objective on the future ES. We are looking at both this swing low. There is a SIBI around it. If price may want to go further and and first trade into it, which I don't see the reason for it, but price for manipulation purpose may trade into it first and then start repricing to the sell side as the dollar give us the the risk off scenario. Price going up on the dollar index, we are expecting price to go lower on the other indices or the other markets. This is, take this one. So for now, whenever I am clear on the daily chart, I am expecting the daily chart to do certain thing. I normally don't engage the 4 hour, but the 4 hour is great for those that are trading intraday session, for them to mark and see the where price may want to go, continue to go further. This is a very sensitive busy. If price will rally, price may want to rally into this SIBI, and I'm looking at this market structure. It has been taken with displacement. Price trade did not reach it. Price may want to trade toward it and then start going to the sell side. This seems to be the base of some sales market maker sell side model. Price may open as it is now, trade into the SIBI and start aggressively trading to the sell side objective. For now, I'm holding sell side as being where the bias is. I don't stay too long on the 4 hour. I go right away to the 60-minute and do there some analysis and some the 1 hour. We have now been trading on the toward the buy side, and there is now definitely, after waiting for so long, a lot of traders have been waiting for it. We are now seeing indication that the market is going lower. Why? How? Because of this shift in market structure. First, ran above the highs. Shift in market structure. There is also here one high. Let's see, 5780.75, 5721. So there is a small taking of buy side liquidity here and there, and we start seeing price trading toward the sell side, taking sell side objective. We'll be focusing, we'll be having our eye on those on sell side objective, which is to say that every rally up is suspect of price going to a certain inefficiency or to a low or to a PDRA in premium to sell off. That is what we will be looking at when we are reading chart. There is a small 1 hour SIBI, 1 hour SIBI. I go ahead to market. I know the color, so I use that color. This is also a SIBI. We have already trade into it. If you look at the market, we trade into it and start going lower. We have created some, engineered some liquidity here. Price may want to open rally to first trade into this and then start going to the sell side. In either way, this is a swing low, and here the market have efficiently delivered price. So I'm expecting price to go to the sell side, which is first toward these new week opening gap, and these lows that are below these relative equal lows. We may see some lower prices toward the May high, the SEBI, and the order block, and also its consequence is mean threshold, which would be for me where I will be looking for the market to either make the low for the fall, if not maybe further to take this one first and then make the low to start giving us the seasonal tendency that we normally expect during the time of these years. But this is what we have. Normally I will mark this as high and low, but for now I won't make those marking on my chart. The 15-minute chart, where is the market most likely to draw to? Where are we now? There is some swing high there. The market most likely will come to close this gap, this real void of liquidity, and there is also below it sell side objective. We can trade into this SEBI. This we have already traded on drop. We trade into this SEBI once more. We can to take this high. How we use it may tell us we're going higher to clear these relative equal low, which are a little bit too smooth, but we can expect price to first and normally trade into the sell side. I will be hunting the ES on this time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame, important for me is this PM session. This PM session high and low. PM session high and low are important to me. This is the 20, the lunch session. I will have them on my chart going forward. We are looking at this huge and large current new week opening gap. There are some new week opening gap on the sell side, which are drawing price to them also. There is a gap liquidity for it. We want to see how we trade during the night, London, and after 12 o'clock on the Monday, which is after lunch. We will use these, or at the market opening we will open the market like 9:35 and see where we are in relative to these price. All we do is we will read the tape and then wait after 1 o'clock, or maybe don't trade the whole day because there is no news to drive to give us the volatility. The Nasdaq, the price delivery continuum tell us that we're going from high to low, low to high. On the weekly chart, Nasdaq is telling us Nasdaq has made that shift in market structure even on the weekly chart already. So we expect price to rally into this created SEBI, this drop. So price most likely will continue to go to the downside, but first I'm expecting it to rally to the upside and then trade lower. This is the daily chart. The daily chart SEBI, I want to take this one, for it has been make efficient. This one has been traded to as we have predicted. This has been the draw on liquidity, this order block. We close below the main threshold of that order block. All we can see our price rally and engage the market. taking first buy side liquidity, which is below above these, and left a swing low that has been taking with displacement. I'm expecting price to rally into this busy, and when price reaches busy, I will be selling the market toward these daily objective, because of the structure, which is a familiar structure. If price, the way we close at the consequential encouragement of this busy, well tell us. For now, I'm expecting price to rally into the SEBI, sell side in buy side inefficient, rally into the SEBI and then start selling off toward the sell side. Here you have some swing low. I'm expecting price to graze the 4 hour. We just run past that. You see a definitely shift in market structure with this displacement. We trade into it, not another trade higher, and then we start going lower. This is now we are in this the fall, declining into the fall low, or seasonal tendency. What I'm expecting to happen with the dollar going up, I will be looking for these objectives to be reached on the 4H. We're looking, I think this is cleaner for me. This is efficiently delivered. There is a small inefficiency there, but I expect price to use this mitigation block maybe to drop toward the sell side, or continue going toward this I'm looking at this line, this weekly objective, or this weekly 3-month high. These are also suspect because of how it is situated. This is a 15-minute chart. Short time, this looking very 15-minute is a very suspect. They are so smooth, and the saying is going, smooth edges like to be made jagged. So those that are going to be engaging the market tomorrow, this is safe haven for retail trader. For them, they are looking at these as strong resistance, and price does have the will trade into these for short term objective, and ultimately with risk of we are expecting price to go lower into sell side objective. This is already shift in market structure going higher, so I'm going to be using this if there is some busy here or this new week opening gap high. We can allow price to drop to it or break to the consequential encouragement and start going to these objectives. For the market, have traded efficiently on this side, traded efficiently on this side, so it left us to look to the sell side, but I think they will go first for this, and there is some small inefficient gap, which is a fair value gap, and it is a qualified, it is called a SIBI, SIBI, for a SIBI. Yes, and we see also order block we trade into this SEBI and then start going lower. This is shift, also close up and start engineering liquidity, engineered also this liquidity and go down. Now we are looking at some shift in market structure here. This have not yet been taken a swing low. There is a swing low here taken with this run displacement, but did not take, so we drop again displacement, which is a shift in market structure that left a busy. We trade into the busy that have qualified this order block, and now we are going up. I think this is where the aim is for price to go. Let me see. About, wow, nice one, 155 handles for a run like that, and we can get our 40 handles or 20 handle right from this run. That is it. We will be hunting on the 5-minute chart, and important is for us that we take notice of the one this low, which is the PM session low. We'll be using the PM session low, and then the PM session high. This is lunch hour ended, lunch hour start, so this lunch hour, this is the PM session high. This high will be very influential if we continue going further. I'm assuming and I'm expecting price to want to first rally toward, after this shift in market structure, this drop into again the SEBI one busy, and there is another one here. To respect it, price start going up higher. I'm looking at these objective, especially this relative equal high. I'm looking at them for my targets and my focus. If price did clear them, I'll trade into this in the afternoon before 9:30 or before 12 o'clock. I will after that be hunting sell side setup. But for now, on the Nasdaq, which will be my instrument, I want to trade first part of the week toward the buy side, while looking at any rally as suspect for us to make the swing toward the sell side in accordance with the dollar index. Even if at night during Sunday or before Sunday we take this high, we will just move this to become London high, and then we will look what price do to it at 9:30 when the market open on Monday. Thank you for watching. I am recording from Suriname, but in the interior of Suriname. We have some trading week, a great trading week with Monday off, and then I'll be looking forward to trade with you on Tuesday after this number, these medium news, and trade with you and enjoy seeing price action delivered and engaging the market with you. I want to say for now, let me see, what have I not covered? For now, to have disclaimer, our analysis is only an approach to the market. Yes, how we will be hunting with our analysis in mind. We are also flexible. That's why we talk about less than for that side. If that does not happen, we will use that to justify the other side of the trade. So be cautious, know what you're doing in the marketplace, be careful and trade well. Greeting you from Suriname, way from Botapasi, I am Algo. Good night. Great trading week. Have a great day.